Range bound trading. This is what I was talking about earlier. We'll just go over this briefly. You can sell the highs, you can buy the bottoms, it's completely fine. But you see in here, just don't make up stories. Okay. Now, the example I shared with you, if price had done this, this is something you can consider. But with price creating this much madness down here, you might want to reconsider it. So let me not confuse you. If price came down here, created a clean bounce, pullback, and done this, you can sell it. If price is creating all this madness here, then just wait for price to come back. Okay. Trying to trade in here as a perfect break and retest, as a double top, adjusting your levels, selling lower highs, buying higher lows, whatever it is, you're going to run into problems. Okay. If you want to sell on the 1 minute time frame and buy in the 1 minute time frame, do it at your key levels. Does this make sense, chat?
Hey, Rox, quick question. Can I?
Yeah.
This is Mauro speaking. Is this a 1 minute chart?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Thanks.
Look, I'm just saying to you all, right? Make sure that you're understanding the theory of what I'm telling you, because when you go to your 1 minute time frame, your mind is going to play tricks with you. You're going to think a lot of stuff, and it's important that you understand the theory, okay?
Rox, a quick question here. So, you know, at the bottom of this range there, let's say on the left side you have the arrows. Would you buy at that level, at that point, or is it too messy and too choppy for you at that point?
Here, no. Here,
Okay.
yes. Here, yes, if given the evidence. But you see what I said, in the morning, your range will be, your major highs will be developed and your major lows will be developed. And during the session, it's very unlikely that price is going to break it unless something substantial is happening in the market. So to buy and sell at these levels, you can do so. If you identify it as being in a range, which will just be this stuff here. But what your mind will do, because this will not develop, is what your mind will do. What your mind will do at this stage is start to create lower highs. And then when price starts to pull back into these levels, it will start to create break and retests. And then when price comes back, it's going to create double tops. And it's just going to be a whole heap of madness. When price comes back here, you're going to start to create lower highs. Then when price breaks it, you're going to create double bottoms. It's too hard to trade. So look, keep your major highs and your major lows. And if it's ranging, which is evident by this, you can buy and sell it, okay? Does this make sense, chat?
Yep, this makes sense.
Rox, you don't see that first cluster of price as a triple bottom because they hit the level 3 times?
Remember I said it has to be clean and concise.
Can you take the sell as a perfect retest, that first push back up? It looks like it might be a perfect retest.
Here.
Yeah.
Not when this has been created. A perfect break and retest is a perfect break and retest. That's why I just illustrated if it was clean down here, you can sell a double top here. But if the market is creating this behavior, then that means it's a sign that something is happening right now, and it's probably best just to wait for the market to come back to a key level or continue a trend down. Because remember, the whole time, the market on the higher time frames might be ranging, and what the market is looking for price to do is break out of these levels or break out of these levels or come back to respect this level or come back to respect these levels. Anything in between is just pure indecision. Does this make sense?
Yes, thanks, Rox.
Chat, does this make sense? Okay, let's continue.